Hello friends, today we are going to make vazhaipoo vadai curry, banana flower pakoda curry. This is the banana tree and the banana flower. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please click subscribe, the bell button and the word all. In my previous video, I have shown how to clean the banana flower and how to make the pakoda. I'm going to share the link for that previous video in the description column. Here is a brief preview of the last video. Let's start peeling the outer layer. See this? These are the banana flowers. Take each single flower and remove the glassy part and the pistil, the tall stem, and discard them. These are the cleaned banana flowers ready for cooking. Let's chop these into tiny pieces and chop some onions and chilies also. Banana flowers are cleaned and chopped and ready for cooking. Banana flowers can be cooked in so many different ways. This is the chopped banana flowers. To it we added a chopped onion, chili, curry leaves, and if we have cilantro, add them also. 3 hours before start cooking, we have to soak the lentils. 1 cup of kadla-parippu and 1/3 cup of tuvar-parippu. 1 cup of chana dal and 1/3 cup of tur dal. Soak this in water for about 3 hours. Then grind it with the red or green chilies, sombu, fennel seeds, jeera and some asafoetida, and garlic and some salt. Add water. Start with about 1/4 cup of water. Too much water will make the batter too liquidy. We need this consistency. To the batter, add the chopped flour, onions, chili, curry leaves and all that, and also add some dry spices, chili powder and fennel seed powder, fennel seeds and some jeera, some cumin seeds also, and mix them all well. And then check the salt and the spices, and if you need, add some more. And your batter is ready for frying. The vadai should not be fully cooked. Just cook it halfway because we're going to cook it in the gravy also. The reason for frying is so it won't break when we put it in the gravy. Like this. Do not brown it. Don't cook it fully. It should be like this. Now let's start making the vadai korambu, vadai curry with the vadai we just fried. Take a heavy bottom pan and add oil. When the oil is hot, add sombu, fennel seeds, and some star anise and kalpasi. The kalpasi gives a beautiful flavor to any curry that you make. Cook at medium-low heat. After adding the tomato, cover it and cook it for about a minute. And then with the back of the spoon, just mash the tomato. Add garlic and ginger paste, about 1.5 teaspoons. And turn the heat to low. Cook it at low heat until the raw smell of the garlic is gone, about a minute or so. Now add turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon, and garam masala, 3/4 teaspoon, and fennel seeds, about 1 tablespoon, and chili powder according to your taste. Next add mixed masala. Any kind of meat masala if you have, you can add it, about 2 tablespoons. All the masala is nicely fried. When you see the oil coming up, and then add water and mix it well. Now add salt according to your taste. Mix well and cover it and cook it for about 3 minutes until it comes to a nice boil like this. We have the pakoda ready and we're going to drop it in the gravy one by one. Cover it and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. The vada is cooked, it will just start to float like this, and at that time add coconut milk, about half a cup to 3/4 cup. It's according to your taste. Coconut milk is optional. If you want to skip it, you can do that. If you want your gravy to be slightly thick, you could save 1 teaspoon of the lentil batter and dilute that with half a cup of water and mix it with the gravy. That's after the vada is nicely cooked in the gravy. After you put the pakodas, you have to be very careful stirring it. You have to do it very gently without breaking the pakodas, because the pakodas will be very soft now. Gently stir it and put the lid back on and cook it for about a minute, another minute or 2 minutes. The gravy, the vada kurambu is smelling so good, you're going to love it. Vaazhaippoo vadai curry is ready. Banana pakoda gravy is ready. சாப்பிட வரீங்களா? You can eat this with rice or chapati, roti, naan, or any kind of bread. I hope you liked the video, my friends. Please share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell button and the word all. Then only you will be notified when I post new videos. Thank you for watching. Take care.